children. I am here from Shaheen, and I am so excited. You know why? Because today is the first read aloud from Shaheen. My name is Miss Salima, and the story that I am going to read today is The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Maybe most of you have already read this story because this is such a popular story all over the world, right? But you are going to read with me today. So this will be a different experience, I am sure. So, before we start the story, let me tell you that this is the cover page of the story. This is the back cover of the story. Do you know what this is called of a book? That's right, it is known as a spine of the book. Okay, so the writer of the story is a very famous, all over the world, Eric Carle. Say it with me. Eric Carle. Yes, that's correct. So let's start reading. The Very Hungry Caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on the leaf. Can you see a big moon? And a very tiny egg was laid on this big leaf. Very tiny egg. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and popped out of the egg a very tiny, very tiny caterpillar. And this caterpillar was very hungry. What day comes after Sunday? Do you know? Yes, that's right, Monday. So on Monday, he ate through one apple. But he was still hungry because he just ate it through. He couldn't eat the whole apple because he's so tiny. What comes after Monday? That's right, Tuesday. So, what did he eat on Tuesday? On Tuesday, he ate through two pears. One, two. But he was still hungry. So he is eating through, and there came out of the pear the very tiny caterpillar. Then on Wednesday, which is after Tuesday, he ate through plums. Can you count how many plums he could eat? One, two, three. How many plums he could eat through was one, two, and three. Three plums. But you know what? He was still hungry. Then after Wednesday, oh my God, look at these beautiful strawberries. I love strawberries. So on Thursday, he ate through four strawberries. One, two, three, four. But you know what? He was still hungry. After Thursday, then on Friday, he ate through all these juicy oranges. Can you count and tell me how many oranges are these? One, two, three, four, five. Five oranges. But he is still hungry. Oh, it came Saturday. Everybody feels lazy on a Saturday. No school on Saturday for most of you, right? So, what did he do on a Saturday? He ate all this junk food, all unhealthy food. Ugh, let's see what all did he eat through. He ate through one piece of chocolate cake, one ice cream cone. You can also tell me, yes. One pickle, one slice of cheese. He ate through one slice of cheese. He ate a salami. He ate through one lollipop, one slice of cake. No, it's a pie. It's a cherry pie. Look at those yummy cherries, juicy cherries inside. He ate through one slice of cherry pie, a sausage. He ate through one cupcake. I bet everybody likes cupcake, right? Who can resist a cupcake? Nobody. And my favorite, a slice of watermelon. But what happened after eating so much of junk food? I won't call this a junk food. This is a healthy food. Yes? But all this junk food, what did he get? He got a stomach ache and he felt very sick. Now, what should he do? So he got an idea. He ate through one big leaf. You know how we eat vegetables and we feel so strong and healthy again? Yes, like spinach and carrots and broccoli and cabbage and radish and cucumbers. Yum, juicy cucumbers. So he ate through one green leaf again and he felt so much better. The next day was a Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through one nice green leaf, and after that, he felt much better. Hmm. And he became so fat and healthy. Now he wasn't hungry anymore. And he wasn't little tiny caterpillar anymore. He was one big fat caterpillar. And he was ready to do all the hard work that he needed to do. So what did he do? He built a house for himself. Do you know what it is called? Starts with a K. That's right, cocoon. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside there for 2 weeks. Do you know how many days are those? 14 days. Yes, he stayed there in this house for more than 14 days. And then he nibbled in the cocoon and pushed his way out. And can you tell me what happened next? The caterpillar changed, transformed itself into a beautiful butterfly. See what a beautiful butterfly now it is. He was a beautiful butterfly now. Before, he was a tiny egg. Then he came out of the tiny egg and he was so tiny. See? Tiny caterpillar. Then he ate through all of this healthy fruits, juicy fruits, citrus fruits, then some junk food. It's okay to eat junk food once in a while, right? But not every day. Some vegetables. Then he got very strong. He built a house, a cocoon, and then he became a beautiful butterfly, an insect. And now this butterfly can fly wherever it wants. different beautiful flowers it can visit, right? I hope you liked the story. And you know what? Every week, inshallah, we will come here and we will do a read aloud of one story. Next week, it is going to be in Urdu. Okay, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe Shaheen Kids on YouTube. I'll see you next time. Bye.